Good morning, my dear students. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Surya Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Let us welcome in the today's video. The video is about the chapter number 2, acid, bases and salt. This is the chemistry class 10. We are discussing the pH scale. A scale called pH scale was developed by a Danish chemist named Sorensen. To measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. That is how acidic or basic a substance is. pH scale normally measures pH from 0 strongly acidic to 14 strongly basic. What does it mean? It means that a scale called pH scale was developed by Danish chemist Sorensen to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution whose how acidic or basic a substance is. pH scale is measure pH from 0 strongly acidic to 14 that is strongly basic. Neutral solutions and pure water have a pH of 7. Acidic solutions have a pH less than 7. Alkaline or basic solutions have a pH more than 7. So this is all about the pH scale. Right now you are seeing that a graph here. A type of scale is there. The 0 last is 40. In middle 7 is there. So this will show the acidic nature increasing. That is the neutral, and the 14 basic nature increasing, and this graph shows that acidic to basic. So this is an increase in H plus ion concentration, decrease in H plus ion concentration, variation of pH with the change in concentration of H plus aqueous and OH minus. So this is the thing about the pH scale. So the pH of 4 means the pH of 4 means, what does this means? The pH of 4, suppose that there is a pH is 4, this is the acidic in nature. And the pH is 7. That is the 12 is more basic in nature. So these are the things you have to be understand it clearly, and it should be the remarkable things. So my dear student, let us complete it in a very briefly and the simple way. So this is all about the pH. So the pH of 4 means that the solution is 10 times. The pH of 4 means, it means to say that the solution is 10 times is greater than the, we are discussing this is the line all about the pH scale. The pH of 4 means that the solution is 10 times more acidic than a solution having a pH of 5, and it is more 100 times more acidic than the solution of pH 6. Thus more acidic the solution, lower is the pH. That is all about the pH scale. Let us now discuss about the universal indicator. What is universal indicator? My dear student, it is all about the universal indicator. An indicator may be defined as or universal indicator or acid base indicator. Both are the same thing. Universal indicator, acid base indicator and indicator. The name of indicator is also universal indicator, acid base indicator. So you can say that an indicator may be defined as an acid base indicator or universal indicators is defined as a substance that assume different colors in acidic, basic and neutral solution. So the acid base indicator is the indicator that is going to use or assume different colors in acidic, basic and neutral solution. So litmus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein are some of the most common use universal indicators, acid base indicator that change color as follows. Like that, there is a table here. You can just also draw the table. Indicators, acid solution, basic solution and neutral solution. What are the color changes in different types of universal indicator? Like blue litmus solution. Acid solution, it become red. Basic solution, no color change. In neutral solution, no color change. But when you take the red litmus solution, no color change in acid solution, but in basic solution it becomes blue, no color change in neutral solution. Methyl orange, very accepted universal indicator that is probably used in the lab. Color is red in acidic solution, yellow in basic solution and orange in the neutral solution. So methyl orange is the single indicator which gives color change in acidic, basic and neutral. All the three. Last one, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a colorless in acid solution, red in the basic solution and colorless in the neutral solution. So universal indicator is just, you can say, it is a tool by which you can check the color of different acidic, basic or neutral solution. So this is all about the acid base indicators, color change, acid base and alkali color change. Today we are discuss the pH scale. Today we discuss the pH scale and the next is the universal indicator. So there are few more important points of universal indicator that you must remember about these things. A universal indicator is available. We all know how we found the universal indicator. It is found in the lab. It is found in the natural way. So we have seen the universal indicator in our daily life also. So let us understand these things in a very clear concept of manner with the method wise and the step wise. So we say the universal indicator is a substance that check the color, that assume the color of acid, base or neutral solution. So we all understand about the universal indicators. Let us now discuss how the universal indicator is found, where the universal indicator is going to be found. So let us understand these things in the broader manner, in the simple step, and don't be skip the video, go throughout the complete video. So a universal indicator is available as a universal indicator is available as, you can say that universal indicator is available as a liquid solution, as a liquid solution, or you can say that it is found as a stripe paper, as a paper stripes impregnated. Paper stripes impregnated means what? That is prepared by itself. Impregnated, or you can say impregnated with the indicator. So it is all about the things very important for the universal indicator, and universal indicator is very important topic. To estimate the pH of a solution, how can we estimate the pH of a solution with indicator? To estimate the pH of a solution, we use indicator as a drop of liquid universal indicator, a drop of liquid universal or acid base indicator is directly added to it. So it should be the rememberable, added to it, to the solution or the paper stripe. Directly added to the solution or the paper stripe, or you can say paper strip. So you can say is dipped into the solution, is dipped into the solution, and then removed for and then removed for comparison. Removed for comparison against a comparison against a color. That is the key chart. pH key chart. Key chart. pH color pH chart provided with the indicator. Provided with the indicator. But few things you have to remember also. Neutral solution and pure water turn. Neutral solution and pure water turn. Universal indicator paper green. Universal indicator paper green. We already write in the table, but as a conclusion I am going to write here. So let us understand these things in a clear manner. Strongly alkaline solution turn. Strongly alkaline solution turn. Universal indicator paper. Universal indicator paper dark blue. Paper into dark blue. Dark blue or purple. But weakly alkaline. Weakly alkaline solution turn it. Alkaline solution turn it blue green. Turn it into the blue green. And the last point, but not the least for the today video, strongly acidic solution. Strongly acidic solution. Strongly acidic solution turn universal indicator. Universal indicator as a paper red, but weakly acidic solution. But weakly acidic solutions turn it orange yellow. Turn it orange. Let us understand these things in a clear manner. First of all, a universal indicator is available in the form of liquid solution or in the paper strip in the lab. Both are the present in the laboratory also. Impregnated. Impregnated means it is put with that. The color should be the paper stripe with the blue litmus paper or with the red litmus paper, because it is prepared in the laboratory with the blue litmus paper and the red litmus paper that turns acid into red and base into blue, red and acid into blue. To estimate the pH of a solution, a drop of liquid of universal indicator is directly added to the solution, or the paper stripe is dipped into the solution and then removed for a comparison against a color chart. There is a color chart which is given in the lab for your color checking, provided with the indicator. First is the conclusion: neutral solution and pure water turn universal indicator paper green. Strongly alkaline solution turn universal indicator paper dark blue or purple, but weakly alkaline solution turn it blue green. And the last one, not the least, strong acidic solution turn universal indicator paper red, but weakly acidic solution turn it into orange yellow. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Give more views, like and share. And my dear student, it is very honestly I say that I work very hard, and it should be the rememberable that don't skip the video, go throughout the complete video. And if you want to learn the chemistry in the method wise, then come and join my channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Thank you all of you. Take care. Good night.